Good day, everyone. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a Gmail account on your NHS e-learning platform. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to go to a new tab. So this is a new tab. From this new tab, I will click on create a Gmail account. Create a Gmail account. Once you see this, you are going to click on search. You can also do this in your phone. Just click on create a Gmail account. So once you are there, you click on this create a Gmail account. Then you are going to see this page. Once you see this page, you are going to scroll down and you'll find here that they said create an account. You click on it. Then you are going to see a page like this. From here, you are going to click on create an account. Then you are going to see a pop-up for my personal use, for my child, and for work or business. I recommend you click on for my personal use. Then from here, you are going to enter your first name. So for this tutorial, we are going to be using um, Joshua as our first name, Ikede, Joshua Ikede as our first name and our last name. Then we are going to click on next. Then from here, you are going to select your basic information, that is your birthday. You are going to click on select your birthday and mail. This is 11th of 2000. So this is going to be our basic information. So once you are done entering your birthday, you are going to click on next. As you can see, Google will recommend some emails for you. But if you don't like any of these two, this Joshua Ikedi888 at gmail.com or Ikedi Joshua 390 at gmail.com, you can create your own. You can say, let's say Ikedi 12345 at gmail.com. As you see, Ikedi12345 at gmail.com. You click on next. As you can see, it's saying that username is taken. Try another. So this email, this Ikedi12345 already exists. So we cannot create a duplicate account with the same user Gmail address name. So let us try again. Let us try Ikedi Joshua 12345 at gmail.com. Boom. As you can see, Joshua, Ikedi Joshua 12345 at gmail.com is available. So it will show us this screen to enter our password. So in order to make our password strong, we have to mix it with letters like A, B, C, D, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and symbols like art. So first thing you are going to do is click on this show password so that when you enter password here, you will see the value. So let us enter the password. For now, let us do pass at Ikedi 2000. This is going to be our password. Pass at Ikedi 2000. So we copy it and then we paste it here. As you can see, we have pass at Ikedi 2000, pass at Ikedi 2000 in two of them. Then we uncheck this show password. As you can see, we are not seeing it's now replaced by this dot. That's why it's necessary to show password. So you make sure that the value you entered here and the value you entered here are the same. Once you are done, you are going to click on next. After the verification, you are going to see this screen. This is add recovery email. This is in case you already have an existing email. This is necessary. This recovery email is necessary. Maybe you forgot your password. Then Google will send your password reset to this recovery email. So for the sake of this video, we do not have an existing email address. So we are going to click on skip. So this is the final point. You have to review your account information. As you can see, our name is Joshua Ikedi. Ikedi Joshua 12345 at gmail.com. So just copy that out and I'll save it somewhere in the laptop so I can quickly. Okay. So once we have gotten this and everything is correct, our name is Joshua Ikedi. Ikedi Joshua 12345 at gmail.com. Once we are satisfied with this, we click on next. Then this is the privacy and terms. You have to scroll down all the way down and click on I agree. Once you click on I agree, boom, we already have a Gmail account. You have created your Gmail account successfully.